is Kimberly Williams. I'm a nursing instructor here at CyberTex Institute. I've been here for about almost, I would say, 2 years. Just want to give a brief synopsis about becoming a nursing student here. When you become a nursing student here at CyberTex, you will actually be able to complete the program in about, I would say, 15 months, and you will become an LVN, of course. You will obtain that certificate. One thing here at CyberTex, as being a nursing instructor, that I find that is very rewarding is at the end seeing the students accomplish that goal of their studies to become a nurse in the future, and just to be able to see them out there in the field is very rewarding to me as a nursing instructor. So if you want a fast-paced career, then come on over here to CyberTex and join the medical program for nursing.